Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I make shrimp scampi with fettuccine pasta right after this. Alright, so here's a list of all the ingredients that I'm using for this dish. Also, the ingredients will be down in the description below. Also, if you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell. Let's get to making this recipe. So the first thing I'm doing is cooking off my pasta, and I have my saute pan preheating on the stove, and now I'm going in with some olive oil, and here I am going with some diced onions. Really, you should be using shallots, but I wasn't able to get some shallots, so I'm using the next best thing, which is onions. I also just went in with some minced garlic, and I'm going in with some diced bell peppers. I'm just doing that for color. That's optional. It's not part of a classic scampi recipe, but I just wanted to give it a little bit of color. Speaking of color, here I am putting in some crushed red pepper. But speaking of color, my last 3 videos I did with my iPhone, and the videos came out perfect. The last time I did a video with my camera, my Canon M50, for whatever reason, the color was a little bit off. Right here I just went in with some white wine, and I'm squeezing in some lemon, and I'm using fresh squeezed lemon. But anyway, the color was off the last time I used my camera, and I'm using it again. I thought I fixed the problem, but the color is a little bit off, so please forgive me for that. But either way, it's going to be a good recipe either way. So now I just went in with my shrimp. And also I reduced the white wine down a little bit, almost by half, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And I also turned off the stove when I poured in my wine, just to keep it from flaring up. So here I am going in with some cracked black pepper and some kosher salt. And I just sprinkled in some lemon pepper seasoning. So basically what I'm doing now is just cooking the liquid with the shrimp in it until the shrimp is fully cooked. As you can see, my liquid is reduced down by half. The shrimp are pretty much cooked. So now I'm going in with some cold butter. So here I am stirring the butter into the sauce. That should thicken it up a little bit, but not too thick, so that when I add my pasta, there's not enough liquid in there. And also, you can do this recipe in the oven. You can put all your ingredients in like a baking dish, or in the pan, like the one I'm using, and put the whole do the whole recipe in the oven. So here I am going with my cooked fettuccine, and now I'm just going to mix that in thoroughly with all the liquid and the shrimp. And I'm just making sure all the noodles are coated with that scampi sauce, so all the noodles have a lot of flavor. So here I am going with some scallions just to give it a little color. So here you go, the dish is pretty much finished. Shrimp scampi with fettuccine pasta. Alright, so you know, if you give this recipe a try, definitely hit me in the comments, let me know how it came out. Also hit that subscribe button. Check me out on social media at Cooking and Grilling with Carl on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And you know, I appreciate everybody that's checking out my videos and leaving comments. I've had a few of y'all say that y'all tried some of the recipes, so that's what I'm doing this channel for, to make sure I can simplify cooking for everybody. On that note, I say God bless. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.